Here are 8 protein-rich foods that can help boost muscle growth effectively. 1. Chicken breast. It is high in lean protein, about 31 grams per 100 grams, and great for building and repairing muscle tissue too. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential amino acids. Eggs also contain healthy fats and B vitamins. 3. Greek yogurt, which has double the protein of regular yogurt, more than 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. It also has a mix of fast and slow digesting proteins, which makes you fuller for longer after a workout. 4. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which is a slow digesting protein and is perfect for overnight muscle recovery and also a good source of calcium. 5. Lean beef is loaded with high-quality protein, iron, and creatine. It does support muscle repair and energy production. 6. Salmon contains around 22 grams of protein per 100 gram. It is also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce muscle inflammation. 7. Lentils are a great plant-based protein, 9 grams per 100 gram cooked, and are also rich in fiber, iron, and complex carbs for energy. 8. Protein powder whey or plant-based, which is convenient and fast-absorbing option for post-workout recovery and can be tailored to dietary preferences and needs. Thank you for watching.